guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add curve speed to your videos on CapCut PC. So I have this video right here I'm just going to add, and I'm going to select speed, and as you can see in curves they have a lot of options you can choose from. They have this montage one. Make sure you always add smooth slow motion whenever you are choosing these curves. Also make sure you have selected optical flow. So this is what the montage will look like. There's hero time, bullet, there's also jump cut, which looks like this. There's flash in, there's flash out, and etc. You can also create your own curve by pressing customize. If you drag this down, it's going to make the speed slower, and if you drag this one up, it's going to make it faster. And you can kind of set it where you want it to slow down, so around here maybe, and then I'm going to make it a little bit faster again. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!